In this video, we will be learning algebraic expression. So first let me tell you what's the main difference between algebraic expression and algebraic equation. Basically, algebraic expression is a thing which do not contain the equal to sign, and algebraic equations, they contain an equal to sign. So for example, if I just write 2a plus 3b, that is basically an algebraic expression because there isn't any equal to sign in it. But if I just put an equal to sign over here, and if I write is equal to 3, so now this thing will become an algebraic equation. Now moving on to solving algebraic expression. The question is 2a plus 3b, and here if I give you the value of a as 3 and the value of b as -1, and if I ask you to solve this algebraic expression, so how can you solve it? The first step is that you need to input this value of a over here, and you need to input this value of b over here. So that is basically called algebraic substitution, when you are basically inputting the value of a variable into the algebraic expression. So moving on, if we just plug in the value of a as 3, so it will be 2 times 3 plus 3 and the value of b as -1. So 2 times 3 is 6, and plus minus will be minus, and 3 times 1 is 3. So the answer to it is 6 minus 3, that is 3. So 3 is the answer. So now you have seen how to solve algebraic expression. Now we'll move on to the next question so that you get a better understanding of the concept. Okay, now moving on to the second question. The second question is a upon 2 plus b, right? And the value of a is 4 and the value of b that you will be using in the question is -1, right? So now try to solve this question. The first step is that we need to plug in the value of a over here and the value of b over here. So it will be something like this: 4 upon 2 plus will be written as it is, and the value of b is -1. The second step is, since you have a fraction over here, you just need to simplify that fraction. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so it's just 2. So moving on, it's 2, and then we need to open the bracket, so it will be plus, minus will be minus, and 1. So the final answer is 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1 is the final answer. Now we will solve the last question so that you get a good grip on the concept, and then we are done with algebraic expression. So what you can do is you can just practice more questions of algebraic expressions, so you get a solid understanding of the concept. Okay, so this is the last question that we are solving in this video of algebraic substitution, and this question relates to the power. So the question is a raised to the power 3 plus b raised to the power 2 upon 2. So this question relates to power as well as fraction. So it's somewhat sophisticated question, so you just need to focus on over here. Okay, so the value of a in this question is 2, and the value of b we can take as 4, right? So how can we solve this question? The first step is we just need to plug in the values, as I just told you before. The value of a as 2 in here and the value of b as 4 over here. So it will be 2 raised to the power 3 plus the value of b is 4, 4 raised to the power 2, the whole upon 2. Okay, so now moving on, it's 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, so it's equal to 2 to the 4, and 4 times 2 is 8, so it's 8 plus what is 4 times 4 raised to the power 2? 4 raised to the power 2 means 4 times 4, so it's 16 over 2. Remember, I told you in the previous question that when you have a fraction, you need to simplify it. So if we simplify it, it's 2 times 1 2, 2 times 8 is 16, so it's 8 upon 1. Now it's 8 plus 8 upon 1 means just 8, so 8 plus 8, the answer is 16. I hope you find this video interesting, and if you don't know anything about algebraic expression and you just watch this video, I hope that now that you're concept of algebraic expression is being clarified. What I recommend to you is, again I'm telling you that you should practice as much questions as you can, because in mathematics practice will make you perfect. The more you practice, the better grip you will get on the concept. So see you in the later video. Thank you so much.